So Blue Springs State Park was a lot of fun. Obviously, we had trouble getting in on the first day we tried, but we decided to try again before we headed home.
The reason Blue Spring is famous is because it's a place you can see hundreds of manatees in the winter months.
It was so neat to see the manatees. Neither Jake or I have seen manatees before. That's been something that we wanted to do, and it was just so cool to see them, and so many of them. Would have been fun to swim, but you cannot swim with the manatees. You can swim at Blue Springs State Park during the summer months.
You got me. Manatees are tropical animals, so Florida is the only place in North America where manatees live year-round.
We did see one alligator, and there were manatees hanging around his tail. So his tail was in the water, and he was up out of the water, and the manatees were trying to swim around. They seemed like they were messing with him a little bit.
We didn't have a ton of time here. I would certainly recommend spending a full day and paying for a boat tour or even going out kayaking so you can get closer to the manatees. From the boardwalk here, it seemed like most of the manatees were on the other side of the water in the sun area, and the boardwalk was kind of in the shade. So we didn't get to get too close to any of the manatees here today. If you see an alligator, let Daddy know right away. Woo! Something else that's kind of cool, in the warmer months, you're actually allowed to snorkel or scuba down into the mouth of the spring to kind of explore or check it out in the Blue Spring Cave down there. That seems like a fun adventure. Chug, 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 chug.
Done.
The first permanent settlers to the area were the Thursbys. They arrived via steamboat in 1856, and you can go in and take a tour of their home. Blue Springs State Park, here to see some manatees. None of them are getting close to the boardwalk though. Super frustrating. Like, I'm not creepy, I just want to take some pictures. Why gotta be such a manatees? I know, that was lame. I was saving that one for this trip. Bro, you really should be wearing shoes here. $6 entry per vehicle, definitely worth a visit. If you happen to be unlucky and arrive around lunchtime or later, there are going to be long lines to get into this park, especially at the height of manatee season. Maybe check out Wakiwa Springs, or there are a couple other springs nearby within 30 or 40 minutes. So just have a backup plan just in case you can't get in here. You know, there's a chance you're not going to be able to get super close to the manatees. So they do have a webcam online where you can check out and see video of what's going on underwater. Or if you're really desperate to see manatees, you can always swing by Epcot and check out some manatees there. Thanks for watching, everybody. We do have some more adventures coming up in the next few months, so stay tuned.